So what up you guys? So today on our Zorin OS we're going to set up our Python and our Python environment. So we're going to use this directory right here, home slash your username. For me, my username is coda according to my channel. So here is where we put our environment, and that our environment we want to make it invisible. So you can see when you go here to show hidden files, you can see we actually we have our hidden files. So you can see there is your instruction files and the other thing. So here we also have our environment, our Python environment. So let's begin. So by going to our terminal using Ctrl-Alt-T, we are going to have our terminal ready, and make sure all the packages on your laptop or on your system are up to date by running sudo apt update first, and then saying sudo apt upgrade as a second command. Okay, so I made a mistake there. So sudo apt upgrade and or other stuff. So here we are going to check if we're in the right directory by saying pwd. You can see it's the same directory, and we can see everything there, including all the hidden files and the directory, like the cache directory. You can see it's now showing. So here we're going to say sudo apt install. You see, then since Python already comes pre-installed, so we're going to say if there's an update, update it. Sorry. Okay, so for Python it's Python 3 on Linux. It's not just Python, it's Python 3. Okay, then you would want also our environment. So we're going to install Python 3 then. So that's our command right there. You see, sudo apt install -- upgrade Python 3, then Python 3 venv. You can use conda and the other programs that will let you have your own Python environment. So there, just press enter, and then now your password, the same password that you set up for your Linux. So just type it right there. You see it's checking Python 3. You can see Python 3 is already the newest version on Ubuntu. You can see, like I said, it's a Ubuntu based system. Then for installing Python venv, you're going to cost us 10 MB, and then additional system files. Here you have it. So just say yes, continue, and then you have it going. You see that, and the reason why I made this video as simple as it is was there is a lot of one specific rookie mistake everyone I think who are getting into Python usually makes. So I'm going to show you how to go about that. So now our packages are ready to go. Just give it a little bit of time, finish here. So there you have it, everything is ready. You can see Python 3 -- version. You can see that's our Python right there. So you're going what now for creating our environment. We're going to say Python 3. Don't forget to use the 3. Python 3. You see that -m See, then we go say Vim, the same Vim that we installed, then the name of your environment. So for me, I want it to be invisible, so I'll just say full stop. You see that it's an invisible folder, so I'll just say env like that, enter, just like that. Just give it a little bit of time. Yeah, so it's working on it, creating everything. Okay, right there. So you see our folder is not showing because I said our folder should be invisible. Yeah, only I like it to be invisible. By saying list -a, that means list all, including all the hidden files, then you are going to see our Python environment is going to show right here. That's our Python environment, and you can see it right there. When you go here, actually it's not showing. By saying Ctrl-H to see all the hidden files, we actually have our Python environment. Now this is how we're going to activate our environment. By going to our environment, same as the Windows, going to the bin folder. I'm sure it's also the bin folder. Then now we'll need one of these scripts. You see this is the PowerShell script. Yes, don't worry, it will also work on Linux, one of these, but you just have to say activate. Then you have pip right there, and pip3 and everything. So right now we don't need this anymore. So now what we're going to do, we're going to say source. By type in there the source, the same source, they're saying the name of the folder. You see the name of the folder, then by going to the bin folder and activating our Python environment. Then if you press enter, you're going to see our Python now environment has been activated. So you can see there, you can say now people -, version. You're going to actually have the pip version. This is what we want to fix. The pip is not to the latest version. It doesn't mean when you update your Python and everything going to be at the latest version. No, our pip here is not to the latest version. The latest version is 26 something. So let's fix that. So by updating our pip, we're going to say Python 3 -m, the same thing, pip, you see, install. You see that, then we're going to say the same command again that we use -upgrade. See, yeah, I'm missing a lot of that also there. So we're going to say -upgrade. You see that, then you just say pip. You don't have to say pip3, pip what, so just say Python 3 -m pip install -upgrade what pip and press enter. You see it say requirement already satisfied, and you see it's actually the version of what is downloading. So here say installing what pip 24.0, and then say successfully installed the latest what pip. You see when you say now pip version, you're going to see the newest version of pip. So guys, these are the few steps that I prepared on showing how to set up your Python. So don't forget to follow my channel if you're on TikTok or Facebook and on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Just give this little channel a chance to shine. Alright, you guys, see you in the next video.